Y'all came across a kind of unusual situation with the tailgate on my 1997 Ford F150. The hinge connector on the tailgate itself broke off. There it is. And I had to actually take this piece off so I can pound this off of there because it was stuck on with the inner bushing. So I pounded it off, finally got that off, and I priced it because it doesn't seem like this piece actually comes off, and it's not a replaceable piece because there's no screws. As you can see, that puts that on there. And I priced another tailgate, and even on pull apart, it was like almost $400. So what I'm going to try to do is, and I couldn't find anything else, any workaround, please comment in the description, under the description, if you have any other workaround. But I'm going to try to repair this with some JB Weld and see if that works. I've started sanding already. I'm going to clean that off real good, soak in some vinegar, and try to hook it up with JB Weld and see how that works. On the piece itself that came off of there, I cleaned that off real good, soaked it in some vinegar to make sure it's clean, in the liquid Weld, JB Weld bonds well. JB Weld mixed up equal parts of the white and the black to make the gray solution. I'm going to gradually start putting it on there. Thickly around this whole area. Not missing nowhere. On there real good. Okay, good and solid coating around there. I'm gonna lay it on thick. I don't want to be canchy with it at all. So it can get that strength that it needs. I use probably about half the tube of this stuff just because I know this is an area that's going to have a lot of pressure. So because of that, I made sure to use more of it. Because it says 50 or 5,000 PSI. Well, we're going to see what it's made of with this one. Because this is a truck hinge. The truck hinge, and we know this stuff is the truth. So here we go. I think I got enough of the round there to solidify things, if not more. on there. Here's the hinge attachment on the 1997 Ford F150. I piled on quite a bit of the liquid JB Weld all around it, and also you can see that I filled the hole in there. I put like 3 layers and let it dry in between. A couple of days on each layer to see if that holds. So we're gonna see if that does the trick.